Transform your static photos into stunning, shareable videos with Kling AI. Let's dive into how. First, navigate to the Kling AI website. The link is in the description below for easy access. If you're new, sign up for a free account. Otherwise, log into your existing account. Once you're logged in, find the photo to video section on the dashboard. It's usually prominently displayed. Click the upload button and select the photo you want to animate from your computer. Kling AI will now analyze your image. This might take a few seconds depending on the file size. Explore the various animation styles and visual effects offered by Kling AI. You can choose effects like zoom, pan, or even add cinematic transitions. Customize the effect to your liking. Adjust the intensity, direction, and speed to achieve the perfect look. Use the preview feature to see how your photo looks with the selected effects. Iterate and experiment to find the perfect combination. Once you are satisfied with your video, hit the download button to save the animated photo to your computer. And that's it. Now you can easily turn all your photos into captivating videos with Kling AI. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more AI tutorials.